Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, September the 19th. I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
And this is a little series where we like to go through the newsletter with you and then go out and show you everything in person. So without further ado, let's get started with this video.
First off, we want to talk about a whole entire collection that we have on sale. This is deals on the Charmwood collection from FIGO Fabrics. This is including the Great Expectations kit, which is regularly priced at $107.96, but is on sale for $64.96. Huge deal on that. Insane. We also have cut all of the fabric up into 1 yard cuts, so those are priced at $9.96. And there's also, we want to talk about the patterns and colors for this collection, which is foxes, squirrels, shapes, acorns, florals, and dragonflies. And the colors are green, brown, red, and cream. So make sure to stack up on these enchanting prints before they slip away.
Next up, we have I Love Fall Most of All from Moda. With this, we have the charm packs, the pumpkin yoga quilt kits, 24-inch panels, and the full yard collection. This is a autumn themed group, so you can expect patterns such as owls, pumpkins, florals, mushrooms, foliage, leaves, berries, vines, checks and plaids, and solids on colors of orange, teal, blue, and white. So if you're interested in this for your next project, you can fall in love with I Love Fall Most of All.
Next collection we're going to talk about is one from Northcott. This is the Tundra Crossing collection. This is featuring Making Tracks quilt kits, a 28-inch panel, a 24-inch panel, 108 wide backing, and the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are polar bears, tundra scenes, snowflakes, ice textures, and rock textures. And the colors for this collection, as you can assume, are blue and white. Make sure you have so much fun making a quilt with Tundra Crossing from Northcott.
Next up, I want to highlight Sunflower Whispers from Riley Blake. With this, we have 2.5-inch roly-polies, 5-inch stackers, 10-inch stackers, fat quarter bundles, birds quilt kits, full garden boxed quilt kits, patterns, 108-inch wide backings, and the full collection of yardage.
Whew.
That's a lot of things we got with this one. With this collection, there are some lighter pastels in there, so you could use this for your spring collections. So you can have different things such as sunflowers, ferns, dots, gingham, all in colors of yellow, green, pink, orange, and cream. So if you're interested in checking out this collection, you can create a project that radiates warmth with Sunflower Whispers.
Next collection is one from Windham. This is the Merry-Go-Round collection. This is featuring Garden World quilt kits, as well as 108 wide backings, a cheater print, fat quarter bundles, and the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are very vintage, like 1930s-esque. They are florals and polka dots in colors of red, blue, green, and pink. So make sure to create something nostalgic using Merry-Go-Round from Windham.
Next up, I want to highlight Snowman's Village from Marcus. This is a very winter-forward group, so you can expect patterns such as snow globes, winter wonderland, stars, snow, words, and curls in colors of blue, navy, sky, and cream. This collection is selling out very quickly, so we wanted to highlight it once again just so you can go check it out. You can grab your coat and head to Snowman's Village before it melts away.
Next thing we're going to talk about is something very, very important, and it is a hot pre-order we have on the press. This is the Glow and Behold Mystery Project Kit from us. The kits are scheduled to ship September 22nd. I know originally we said September 15th, but we are having to move it a week back because we're waiting on one SKU from Moda. They are priced at $49.96 each. If you need more info on the mystery kit or anything else of the sort, you can go to our Facebook group, which is the Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room. The link for that is down in the description. Make sure to join us for our 2025 Fall Mystery Table Runner Project, Glow and Behold.
Next up, I want to highlight our 1 yard cuts. This is a collection of a bunch of different 1 yard cuts that we cut from different manufacturers, different prints. You never know, it's always updating. We are constantly cutting these. They're taking your regular $13.96 prices, but we are doing them for $9.96 each. They're all pre-cut, pre-folded, so there's no cutting table involved, no anything of the sort. These are in 1 yard cuts, so that being said, if you order multiple of them, you're not going to get like a 2 or a 3 yard piece. You're going to get 2 of the 1 yard pieces or 3 of the 1 yard pieces. So if you're interested in any of these or you want to go see what our collection has, you can buzz on over to our website.
Next up is comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's show to read on this week's show. And this week we have Pamela Colburn 4601. She says, "Hi guys, I'm so excited about the mystery quilt along. I've already ordered mine. Also, it's time to change out the bunnies for some fall decor, don't you think? Have a great day." Well, one, Pamela, thank you for the comment. We very much appreciate it. And yes, it's very much time for the bunnies to get out of here. It's like 6 months late. But as you can see, we got some fall decor in here, all right? Got some Halloween. And some just fall regular stuff. So we're looking a little bit better around here. But also, we're so glad that you ordered your mystery quilt. As we just talked about it, we're very, very excited about it. We're glad to be getting back into it. So if you're like Pamela and have already ordered yours, fantastic. If you haven't, then go ahead and go get yours as well, okay? We still have plenty available, so make sure to go get yours. And also, make sure y'all comment on this episode to maybe be featured in next week's show for Comment of the Week.
And that's going to do it this week for our Friday fabric finds. We want to thank you all so much for coming and checking out this episode along with us. If you enjoyed this video, you can hit that like button. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. Drop your comments down below so you can get featured in next week's episode. If you want to follow us on all of our socials, those will be linked all down in the description below. But I think that's going to do it. So thank you all so much for watching.